Dynisco's mission is really to give our customers a window into their process. The more you know about your process, the more things you can do about it. And if you take something like scrap rates, which has been an issue for some of our customers, being able to see what's going on in your extruder and understand that the material coming out is going to be pure is a huge value add.
When processing materials, you want to make sure we configure the pressure sensor to your best needs in your application. Let's start off with our first level. It's our food grade oil. It will consistently run at 275 degrees Celsius, and it'll allow you to make sure that if you're concerned about various contamination in your food or food-like products, that nothing is hazardous in that environment. It has a maximum temperature rating of 315 degrees C for those spikes that might occur, but consistently 275 degrees Celsius is its operating temperature. Our second line of pressure sensors available in our sustainability line is our high temp fluid sensor. It allows a processor to go up to consistently at 325 degrees C with a max of 350 degrees C. The nice thing about that fluid is it's not hazardous to the process or to the people, but it can also be put into applications that are extremely tough that require certifications like ATEX or hazardous areas. It goes in exactly the way our traditional line sensors have been put in, but it gives you the ability to have a sustainable fluid as well. If you're concerned in your process to have any kind of fluid, Dynisco also offers its Vertex line, which is a capacitance-based pressure sensor. It does all its measurement at the tip, it has no fill, and it'll go up to 400 degrees Celsius. Lastly, on our pressure sensing line is our NAC fluid filled units. This is filled with sodium and potassium. It is suitable for extremely high temperatures, up to 538 degrees C, and it'll fit most applications worldwide. It does not, however, allow you to put it into hazardous environments due to the nature of the fill fluid.
Using rheology measurement attached to your process enables two things. Number one, it enables you to immediately see changes in your product output quality that might result from something like varied recycled content input or trying to include more recycled content into your product. The second is that it helps reduce scrap. Typically the way we hear that customers in our space measure their quality is by taking samples to a lab. This has some sort of lead time associated with it, typically in the order of a half an hour to an hour. By having a rheology measurement on your process, you will get very early warning signs that your output quality is changing, allowing you to make control changes on the fly that continue to keep your product within spec without having to go to the lab.